Hi guys, welcome to Best of Guru, and today we have another intelligent, talented, and very young woman in our channel as a guest. She is so talented that she is blogging since 10 plus years now. If I am not wrong, since 2012. She is very well known in blogging industry. Most of the people know her as alltopnews.com, but she is doing alltopnews.org now. She is a digital marketer, blogger. She is a SEO consultant and a senior SEO manager for several companies, and she is also have her own agency now. So let us know more about her in her own voice. And she is none other than Lasya K. Elizabeth from Andhra Pradesh, India. Hi, Lasya.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I'm very well, perfect.
So this is the first time I am seeing you.
Not only you, most of the people will be, this will be the first, video interview of mine.
Mhm.
So,
You never
yeah.
you never had any video interview before?
No, I never gave any video interview after 2014. So,
Mhm.
2014 is my last video interview with the V6 Media channel
Mhm.
and the Deccan Chronicle and a few other news publications. But rest everything is like writing the audio. That's it. And by the way, mine is alltop9.com and alltop9.org.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So many people know about you, and there is no introduction needed. But for the people who are very new to blogging, or one of my audience, if they are watching for the first time this channel, tell me
Yeah,
something
I'll
about
introduce
you.
myself. So, hey guys, I'm Lasya K, and Elizabeth is just a random name. I like that Elizabeth word, so I just kept it as my last name. But later on, it became a brand. So, if you go on a Google and search for Lasya Space Gay, it automatically suggests you an Elizabeth, which gives all results of mine. So that is how the search of my name has become. So that's why as a brand, I just continued with the name. I started with alltop9.com. Before the alltop9.com, I used to have allearnings.com where I am not even aware of how to earn. So I stopped that blog and started writing alltop9.com and later on it became a success. And there is one little untold story about alltopnight.com as well. So now I started with alltopnight.org. So this
Mhm.
is a brief introduction about me. Yeah.
So all top nine. How did you derive that name?
Yeah, see, basically, when I was in like a BTech, I started blogging when I was in a BTech stand. So I'm not aware what I like to write. Okay. So, but thing is like I love technology. So I used to be on all the tech terms always. So I wanted to write about technology, but I don't know what exactly the topic I have to choose for. I wanted to write like different things, like you can take a tech news, tech gadgets, and tech hacks, whatnot, everything. So I wanted to curate all the content. So I put it as a all. And later on, I wanted to list the best on the top. So I want, for example, if you take some software, I wanted to list all the top. Okay. So because choosing or picking one the best is very difficult to many of the people. So I wanted to give them a few of the choices so where they can pick up the best. So I thought of like top like that. And nine is my date of birth. It's
Oh.
18, June 18th. 8 plus 1, 9. So as a lucky number, I kept it as a 9. Like at the time, most of the people said like all top 9 will never work.
Hmm.
Or all top 9, what is there? Nothing in there in it. So there was some names like that, but
But it's a catchy
later
name.
on,
To
yeah.
be for me, it
Yeah.
looks very catchy.
When it got a brand,
And
it got
as
a
a
catchy.
SEO persons, we know how important is top, the name of top, TOP and best.
Yeah.
The words are very important. So I think
Yeah.
you
But
have pitched it correctly.
hope so.
You are an engineering graduate, and I
Yeah.
am from Andhra Pradesh, the same state which you belong. And we know our parents and ancestors, they think that engineering and medicine is the only courses
Only way.
available. That is the
Yeah.
perception they have, and still there is some families believe in that. What about you? What your family told you if you are choosing for a SEO?
Um. So basically, my intention was to not to burden my parents. So they have been spending on me for my, accessories or the knowledge, the college fees or everything. So I don't want to burden them. So that is the reason why I wanted to earn from online. So this internet passion in me was started in my sixth standard. So in the sixth standard, my father created me an email ID. So I used to send letters to my best friends who are staying in another city. So like that, I started creating my passion towards the internet, and later on, I started learning about this blog and everything. And yeah, I got a lot of hurdles in my family when I was first started, because I used to spend like 8 to evening 5 o'clock. I used to stay in a college, and from 6 to next day morning 3 o'clock, I used to spend on internet to learn vlogging. So like my face, it got like very, I don't know, I can't even explain that the day I was like that. So that is the reason why my parents were like very worried why she is doing so much of things right away. She's just like 20, 18, 19 at that time. So they were worried about my health, sorry. And later on, they were like, fine. Because, and the one thing is, I'm a topper.
Mhm.
So I'm a topper in my college and with a EC background. So I'm like computerized everything. Later on, I was like, I had a good grip on computers. But I'm from a EC background. So they were like, why she's doing both? So where she'll end up to? So every day I used to say like, I want to become a doctor one time, and I want to become a lawyer one time, and I want to become some consultant one time. So like this, I used to choose each day a profession. Whenever I watch a movie, I get inspiration.
So
So
you have a
later,
few things which relates me, because I do think like that sometimes. I will do
okay,
one my career. If you see my career graph, I didn't work any department for more than 3 years. I have worked for
okay,
different sectors, and always
okay.
confused by my career myself. You told me that you met with an accident, right?
Yeah.
So what was that, and how did you manage?
Yeah, I met with an accident in 2016, December 7th. It was like normal bike accident. When I was going on a bike, a girl came in front of me. So handle hit her, and I was like shocked. She shouted like anything. I was like shocked. What happened to her? And till now, I don't remember how I have met with an accident, because that memory is not in my subconscious too. So later it was like little bit major. So I was not completely rushed for 2 months. So at that time, my blog was actually outof9.com was ranking 35,000 Alexa rank globally, and in India 2,000. Rather, we don't prefer Alexa rank much, but it's just a ranking purpose. And when I met with an accident, I am the only one who managed Alt of 9 actually. So nobody have helped me, or nobody have taken that place of me. So after my meeting with an accident, after 2 months of time, my blog rank got like 1 lakh global rank, and India it got to 20,000. I was like, like it's very hard to get that rank
Mhm.
with only the content marketing. So again, I used to work in the accident time also, but later on, I was not able to work that much level because of the accident. It got a little bit hit, like the back and the face part is most of the area where I got hit. So I took a little bit of rest, and
Uh,
then later on things happened. Then
yeah,
I started
despite
working for the
being in
company.
such a situation, and again you have bounced back like a ball
Yeah,
hitting a wall and coming back. So
yeah.
congratulations. Most of the time
Thank
when I
you.
see your name, Lasya K. Elizabeth, which comes in mind, you are one of the top 10 bloggers in India. So how was
Yeah.
that feeling when you see that most of the people are featuring you as a top 10 women bloggers? So how would you feel that?
Yeah, I feel really great because see, the open area is like many people are featuring me, but nobody knows what are the responses I'm getting from the audience. Many people call me, "Hey sister, please guide me, please be a mentor." And I'm really proud of you. Some people, like there was an incident where their mom is calling to his son and telling like, "Hey, I saw a girl last year is speaking on television. I saw her interview. She's really great. Why can't you just go with that field?" So there was these times when parents were suggesting to their children who were working in MNC companies too. So that was really great. So I felt like, oh, fine. I achieved my career goals. Not in the fine financially. I have achieved little things where I wanted to do for my family. But these achievements will not come always with the financial. So yeah, it's really a great achievement when it comes to the applause from the elder ones, especially.
Yeah. So blogging needs a lot of passion, motivation, and also self-inspiration, and also inspiring by others. Who is your most inspiring blogger, and who inspired you to take blogging as a career?
Basically, you can say like moreover an inspiration, positive inspiration. I got a lot of negative inspiration. Like, yeah, seriously, people they told me like a girl cannot do, a girl cannot sit in front of the computers and learn all type of sectors. I mean, all areas to grow this blogging. Blogging is not just the content writing; it requires a technical knowledge and it requires this, that, and I used to receive all these comments. But the one thing they don't know is if anyone says me like you can't do this, I have that passion. I should do this.
Mm.
So this is from my childhood. Since childhood, I'm like this only. From my childhood itself, if anybody says like you are not fit for this, I'll show them like why can't I? So that kind of inspiration I took from that negative feedback, and I started working on it consistently, constantly with the content and with the technical knowledge. In this process, I learned HTML, CSS. Now, even now, the alltopnet.org blog is designed completely by me. The content is completely written by me, and the designs. Even I used to design the logos, like everything in the process. I learned HTML, CSS, Photoshop, video editing, the tools, analytics, webmasters, whatnot. So
So where did
it's
you
like a
learn all
complete
this?
package.
Did you
Yeah,
learn from
and
YouTube, or you have gone for any institute?
I have this habit, I just start with a tool. So if I used to like click on that, this, that, and all. So if I don't get anything, I search on a Google for sure. So I take that part and I learn from that part. Because if somebody is saying something, they will tell cut to the point. So which makes you to not to know the other back end of the things. So I don't want to miss any single thing from that particular tool. So that's why what I'll do is I'll just give it a try and I experiment it. I'll do like different things and all. And with this, like the way I do is the one thing that used for Facebook page rename. So most of the people are not aware of it. The Facebook rename when the time it got started
Mm.
renaming is the first person I did.
Oh,
So I did
oh,
for like more than 1.5 million likes pages. So it gets notified to each and every person, and people started to renaming. So
acha,
how did I know is they started renaming to the name I renamed for. So yeah, for example, I renamed the page to All Top 9.
mm.
They started renaming it to All Top 9.
Mhm.
Again, they started renaming it to their own page. So
Okay.
like this, I got to know like okay, fine. These people have started from my idea.
Mm.
So that is one out of box idea that
Thinking,
I got it
yes.
when there is no Facebook rename of page. So these like many things were happening in this between. I used to just experiment with everything,
Yeah,
and my
experiment
learning
always
sources
gives.
will be like yeah,
Mm.
experiment gives you self confidence. Fine, I learned this. I know
Yes.
this. I can do this. So I used to believe that.
I am also a marketing guy. I don't know anything about technology or tech. I started
Okay.
my tech channel. I used to build my own websites and blogs, but initially I took lot of headaches and I spoiled many of my blogs. I did
It
all these
happens.
hosting things of my own, but I still learned on my own. There are a few friends
That's
which
great.
helped me for some core technical things, but
Yeah.
now so that is what we needed. When we learn from basics and from ground itself, it gives us more confident and we can do better
True.
things. So that is
Yeah.
how you emerged as a top blogger. That is one of the best things a blogger should have. So how
Yes,
about
for sure.
content? So content is king and queen for me
Yeah.
because we cannot
True.
make it only king because that is a gender issue. I feel that both
Like,
men and women are equal. Then why content
sure.
is not equal? So what you say
Yeah,
about content?
basically, content is a king. And see, king without a kingdom is the meaningless. So the king should be placed in some kingdom. So that kingdom is a blog.
Hmm.
Okay. So for example, if you think content is a king and all top nine is a kingdom, so I place this king in my kingdom so that the queen will take care of the things.
Super.
So this is how I build together.
Such a cute idea.
So,
Hmm.
yeah, even when everybody says like content is a king, I was like, yeah, fine, kingdom, my kingdom. So the queen will manage everything. So this
See,
is how
that
I
is
take that.
how we can see if somebody is watching this video, you can easily see Lasya how she explains SEO in different style. So some people will say content is king, content is king. Just a word is not enough. How you portray that
Yeah,
word is very important. So that is
very
a
important. True.
very important skill that this girl has. How about your family? You are the only
Yeah,
child.
my family. No, no, I have a sibling. My sister. She's also a BTech graduate, and she later with Google for 2 years. She is a fashion designer. Passionate. So she did a fashion designer course, and now she's married with a baby girl. And
Hmm.
yeah, she's continuing with fashion designer. And of course, sometimes I used to help with her digital things and all, but not full fledgedly because she's not even paying enough. So like, we were planning it in a big way. So alltop9.org is actually coming up with a very large and very unique concept. Yeah, I'll
So what are
later.
your
Yeah,
current projects now?
currently I'm working for a company called Select Gadgets LLP, and in that the Silicon and Connect.
One of
So
the
they have three entities.
upcoming mobiles. If somebody don't know about Select Mobiles, Junior NTR is the brand ambassador for
This
that.
brand
One
ambassador.
of my favorite
Yeah.
heroes.
Oh,
When
great.
I saw last year's Facebook page, I was so admired because he is doing the digital marketing for Select Mobiles.
Yeah. So
Okay.
basically, the Select is my sixth company. So
Mhm.
I have worked for like six companies in the past 6 years of journey. Yeah.
So what are those?
So the first is Alltech Media, which is a
Imran.
startup with Imran Uddin and myself. So we have grown we have almost generated a 1 CR like per annum. So the turnover used to be like 1 CR. And then later on, after some things have happened, and later on I have shifted to Film. So it is an entertainment agency. So there I worked as a digital marketing executive. So I started pitching for clients, and I started into this entertainment movie agency, working with the copywriters, working with so that's like entirely a new platform for me. And then later I came to automotive manufacturers, which is like 72-year-old company, which dealership for this 7 brands of cars like Audi, Mahindra, Jeep, Volkswagen, etc. So I worked as an SEO senior SEO manager. And then the fourth company was like my Go Rural Private Limited. I just worked like span of 2 months there because it's like completely offline traditional marketing. They wanted to enter into digital marketing, but uh, I can't be idle for so long time. So I can't be an idle. So I want to have a full handful of work to experiment, keep on experimenting. So that's how. So I resigned there and I started with another uppercut marketing agency. There I started handling 10 clients. So I used to have a 10 clients where I deal with the PPC ads. So PPC ads and social media and content calendar. So and then now I am into like Select. So this is Select, Connect and Selcon. The three entities are like completely e-commerce. So the e-commerce which we have a lot of weightage. Now by coming here, I got that complete hands-on experience and good grip on this e-commerce. So how well it works and everything. So yeah, online sale for Select is completely driven by me.
Mhm.
So I'm like very well. I'm like I can say like this market completes me as a digital marketing manager. So
Mm.
here I'm working as a digital marketing manager for the three entities.
It's a very challenging task, na? Because
Definitely,
e-commerce and also there are very competitive people like Big C, Lot
definitely,
Mobiles.
yeah.
So how would
So
you
every
cope up
day,
with those competitors?
so basically, balancing rather than balancing both the entities, you have to see what they are lacking. Okay. So when competitor is lacking somewhere, so you have this phrase, when you do 99% of good deeds, no one will see it. But if you do one negative deed, everyone will recognize it. Okay. So that's why we have to see competitors where they are lacking. So once we know that points and we do that positive points and see balancing the which we have seen already will definitely go in a longer run. The balancing will definitely happen. But the negative things that competitor already have should be covered by us first. So that people will the users, the visitor will be like, yeah, this is something I haven't seen there and this is something I'm seeing here. So that difference we have to make for them so that automatically visitors will be like a long term customer. So psychology. Yeah. So blogging is nothing but just content or just technical things, but it's something where you can bring up your psychology, like
Mm.
how exactly user thinks. So if at all they were searching something, what will be the user actual query?
Perception.
I mean, like what, yeah, perception of search
Intent,
query.
to be
So
frank,
yeah,
I think what
yeah,
intent they are coming to your blog, to
definitely.
the
So
Google.
either they are looking, yeah, for sure, because based on this intent, we'll make them as a conversational keywords or transactional keywords or a knowledge-based keywords. So depending on these things, we will create our SEO strategy. So that
Mm.
is something that we have to, and SEO strategy will definitely differ from one product to another. See, if I am working for three entities, but three entities have the different strategies. One is a brand, one is a retailer, and one is a brand. It definitely varies to each sector.
So you are offering SEO services from your blog alltop9.org. So what are
Yeah.
the
So
main things you offer? You are also offering branding, logo designing, SEO consultants, and also many other WordPress related things. So
yeah.
what is your main
So
service apart from your
basically
this
the
job?
so, so alltop9.org is a platform where people who are not able to get the projects, this all top nine will bring them a product. For
Mhm.
example, I used to get a lot of queries like, we want this service from you, we want this service from you, we want the design, we want everything. They'll ask me everything. But as I'm working for a company, see, I cannot manage that time for this. I mean, like giving another company or another people a service. So in that case, what I'm doing is I'll make the person who is available for that project and the client. So I'll introduce both of them so that they will discuss. If everything works, they both will handle the project. So that is all top9.org will actually do. So based on these services, I have like a team where they are working on the different platforms with a freelance. So, but there is always a misunderstanding between a client and the freelancer. Okay. So as you said, my way of explanation will be completely different. So they always call me up and like, please talk to the client and explain this is what we are going to do. So in that case, I'll be like a mediator. So this is like I'll be not getting anything. So what I'll do is I'll just this is like a open platform. So basically celebrity used to get that branding and everything with their face and everything. But what about the intellectual people? What about the people who has hidden talents in them? What about the people who are like sitting there and working, who are not able to come up over to the screen and telling like we have this talent? So for all those people, the All Top Nine will be a one major platform with their own name, with their own face, with their own voice. They'll be speaking. It is like a very big concept. So later on, it will be by slowly it will be immersed into that area.
Definitely,
Yeah.
it will get success. No doubt in that.
And yeah.
Coming to your 10 years journey, you almost 2012 means you are going to complete 10 years in maybe 1 year. So, what are
Yeah,
the
it's like
do's and don'ts you suggest for the beginners of digital marketing who are
so
aspiring digital marketers?
so basically many people especially people who wanted to learn digital marketing, don't just go with any other agencies or don't just go with some coaching centers or something like that. So you know what is digital marketing? No. So even recently, I was asked to be a mentor for a guy on LinkedIn. So the first step I assigned a task for him is to note down all the concepts that are related to the digital marketing. So, for example, if you are taking a digital marketing, you will be having online marketing, PPC, SEO, SMO, social SEM, and PPC, everything, whatnot. So, all are included. So, you have to write each and every concept. So, after that person, he took some time and he submitted me that assignment. And again, I told me this is not the way, but this is the way. After completing everything, he told me one thing: there is so much in it to learn. Oh my God, I never thought these many topics are included in this sector, because everybody think like digital marketing is something where you can sit in a home and learn or do something. Yes, definitely you can do it. Digital marketing doesn't need a space. Digital marketing doesn't need any technical equipment to work on or a software to work on. It's completely your time, your space, and your inner passion. So at least you have to know what are the things that are involved in the digital marketing to get started with. So collect the syllabus. So you will be having all the syllabus, right? So everybody asks me like, what is the step-by-step process? So
Hmm.
before going into the digital marketing, collect the concepts. Okay, digital marketing, SEO. What SEO has on page, off page, back. What is on page have, what off page have. When you write down all these concepts by step, you will get to know brief glance, like very brief glance, what is a digital marketing. So once you get to know the digital marketing, start learning each concept every day. Learn, implement, learn, implement. After also doing this process, still you're not able to cope up or still you're not able to learn something, then go with an agency. So just don't go blank to an agency and spend thousands of rupees there and don't learn the mistakes. So self tutoring is always important to each and every individual. So this is the thing I wanted to say.
Hmm.
Even if I start a teaching service, I have taught many people, but just for free. I don't want to make this teaching as a profession or a teaching into a paid thing like every school or colleges does.
Hmm.
So I don't want to make this teaching thing into a paid one. So I teach for free, not only now, in the future, every time. So my teaching will definitely be free.
Good.
That's
That
for
is a
sure.
good thing. So
Yeah.
people who are watching, please take note of this point.
But please, when I have time.
Yeah, but
Oh,
don't bombard with your emails and
yeah.
also. So if you are genuine learner or if you are very serious about digital marketing only, then please visit her social handles. I will put all those links in the description in this video. And Lasya, digital marketing is a big ocean, right?
Yes.
Like SEO, SMM, SEM, email marketing, and
Very big ocean.
this what you call social media marketing. What is the best one you can select instead of going for all out digital marketing? Either we can go for SEO, SEM, or SMM.
You can definitely go with a particular concept. So, see, a programmer will be having a different languages like Java, PHP, .NET, everything. So they'll be picking one specific source. So you can also one can easily pick up for if you wanted to go with an SEO, go with an SEO. See, SEO digital marketing is a big ocean. SEO in that will be one like a river. So
Hmm.
all rivers together join as a big ocean is nothing but the digital marketing. So if you wanted to learn each concept, so go in depth. So when you hold a grip of one thing, jump into the another thing. When you
Hmm.
have a grip of that thing and jump into the another thing. So even technical things are like one subject again here. So the Google Tag Manager, the webmasters, the analytics part, the Google Data Studio. So these things are lately Google is emerging everything into one place. So Google Tag Manager is one technical tool where everybody have to learn right moment. So in this moment. So concentrate on these tools so these tools are for free, not a paid version. So sit every day on those tools and do see what you can do better. Like how you can see. I have this content like all platform analytics on one dashboard. Okay. So that for that reason I use Google Data Studio. So I see website vitals, I see Facebook ads, Google ads, Insta ads, everything. So individually, I created all dashboard in the same page where I can view the CPC, where the CPC is getting high, where the CPC is getting low. So which ad is working better. So I create the same ads in every platform and see which is working better for me in the meantime. So by checking all these with different platforms will definitely take you lots of time. So while going forward, you have to work smartly. So I do immense of things in a single hour. So I manage the analytics part. I manage the designing. I write the content. I do different. So many people ask me like, how do you manage all things in a single time? I do smart work. So in the beginning times, I used to do this labor work like entering every detail, writing every concept, writing everything, putting all together, opening 10 to 15 tabs, and using incognito, using another browser. So later on, it became like, okay, fine, I want this here. So what should be done to get that here? So I keep on searching in that way. So I want something, search. I want this thing, search. So implement. So later on, see, there were failures. I don't say there is only a success in my journey. There were times where I don't even have a, financially, I was like very low. There were times because it's myself flow, not my family, because I don't want to. Once I started this blogging journey, I stopped asking money in my home because they have spent me a lot, and now it's the time for me to give back them. So they don't even ask me. But when I was 23, I bought a car, gifting for my parents.
Mhm.
So these are the little things that I can do in my engage. So later on, we don't know how we will be. See, like
So
COVID.
how old are you now? Actually, I don't want to ask that controversial question, but still want to know. Excited because you look very young, na? Can put you
Yeah,
in young
so
talent list.
let's leave this to you, Mr.'s imagination. So
Okay,
drop
that
down
is,
the
they will be
comments my
curious. You are very smart as you. They
with
used
my
to
below
Google
years.
these things now.
Yeah, actually, there is no year.
It's a
I have
keyword,
everything
guys.
in there.
Age of Lasha. Keep on searching for that. I will disclose you next year.
So, see, when I completed my BTech, it was like 2014. I started working officially. I have hands-on experience like 7 years. Unofficially, I have a 9 years of experience in SEO. As you said, yeah, 1 year will be one more year for to complete a 10 years of journey. So this is the official time period. I have 7 years experience.
Hmm.
Yeah,
So 10 years
yeah.
is not a joke, right?
I'm not 30 years. Okay, I'm in my least 20s. Yeah, I'm still young.
Another common question which many people ask me, and even I am one of the culprits. I started my
Okay.
blogging in 2015. I fell and fall, rise, fall. Still, I used to fall. I don't have regular blogging. Many
Okay.
people fail in this situation. Like they used to blog for 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months.
Yeah.
When are ready to get success, they go away. So I have seen many things, and that is my personal experience also. What you suggest for them? Because people fail because of their negativity within themselves and demotivation, and they don't have confidence on themselves. But you have done
See,
this by doing for last 9 years. How did
yeah.
you do that? What is the basic things we
So,
keep in
yeah,
mind?
basically, see, having a handful of experience will definitely get you, one day it will definitely pay you back. Okay. So, right now, so when I started my journey, I never thought of being in a top 10 bloggers in India. Okay. But after starting myself out, even the branding, when I started All Talk 9, until and unless Deccan Chronicle revealed my photograph, nobody knows that a girl is behind All Talk 9. So that's how I created a brand for
Mhm.
All Talk 9. See, starting doing something in your own way will definitely pay you off one day. But see, you have worked so hard, like 3 months or 6 months, whatever it is, you never know that you may start earnings in the next month or in the next day or in the next week. You never know. just keep on doing. What is the loss in it? All you have to do is you will just put a time. So if you are failing, it's okay, no problem. At least you will have that knowledge. Okay, at least you will have that knowledge to say someone, okay, this is the failure I have faced it. Or you might one day you might have realized that okay, this might be the solution for the problem I have faced back then. Okay, every new thing is like a new learning. There were many things in the world to learn. So when you have an opportunity, just learn. So if you are worried about blogging or earning from it, have a grip on one concept. Hold a complete 100% grip on one concept and start in that. It will definitely have it. So it's like completely how passionate you are. That's the first thing. Second thing is how positive you are. So if you are positive, the signals, there was one book I read recently. So when you have a positive thoughts, the same positive thoughts will be sent to the universe and the same positive thoughts will be bouncing back to you. So being positive, being consistent, the timelines that you manage will definitely get you success one day. Success is nothing but when you get that satisfaction while working. Success is not like millions of money or not featuring in news medias or nothing like that. But while sleeping, Hammaya, this is what I have done today. I'm satisfied with it. That is a success. True piece of work. So for me,
Exactly.
success is that. Yeah.
Good. Coming to SEO, you are SEO, and what type of tools you use, free and paid?
So basically, I use Google Analytics, Webmasters, the common tools that everybody use. And with that, what I use is my intellectuality.
This is a
So
new
I
thing.
wanted to reveal, yeah, I wanted to reveal the secret behind my content because my content is something where I got this position. Like my success or everything is behind my content, the way of explaining things in my articles and everything. But everybody asks me one thing: how do you get those keywords? Because I write articles which is not at all related to the previous article.
Hmm.
So I write different types of articles. They ask me like, how do you search all these different sector of keywords? Like I say like I don't use keyword plan. I don't do keyword research. Seriously, I don't do keyword research. So when I'm doing something, if something strikes my mind, for example, as I told you, I wanted to get all the dashboards in single page. There might be one or two sources which is showing you to place one or two dashboards. Okay. What I try adding another one, I try adding another one, and finally I'll get a success. This query that I got might be might many people might be having the same query as well. So what I do is I jot down a content on it. So I'll be the first person to write a content like that. So
Mm-hmm.
whatever the query strikes my mind, I'll write a content on it. So this is my keyword with my intellectuality. So whenever I got a doubt, I feel like this doubt might be having some millions of people, at least a lakhs of people.
Hmm.
So like that, I used to write a content. So very unique way. Why it is very unique? Because the queries I get is the content I write. So this is the secret behind my content. But the way how I put down the frame of content. So that is something where I keep on improvising it. So that's the explanation. That
Good.
is why people very get attracted to.
Coming to COVID situation, and this is one of the burning topic now. So,
Yeah.
did Corona or COVID affect your business?
Business, yeah, e-commerce, it hit a lot. It really hit a bad. So, and recently, again, the lockdown has been ended for e-commerce sectors. There, we did some good business, and now again, the lockdown situation is going in Hyderabad. So, where like it is hitting e-commerce sectors are hitting badly with this COVID because of the delivery things and digital marketing. See, this will be a very good opportunity for the people who want to build a brand. So everybody in the home will definitely in front of the system or in front of the mobiles or everything. So this is something where you can create some good concepts or good creatives to reach those people with a very good unique concepts. So creating a brand will be this will be a very good time to create a brand. If it is a small brand, also there is a chance of getting it hype on it. You know memes, right? Memes will definitely get that up. So yeah, brand building will definitely happen with this situation. But while business, seasonal business will definitely work. Recently, our Silcon is into health products, so we did a good business in health products. It's not completely about to make a business, but we wanted to, help people around us at least. So we launched this product. So yeah, seasonal things, and this COVID will be like a very life situation for everyone. Like what can be done, and see, there are few things if you take, though it is a COVID, there are these few things where you can't stop the provisions, water, the product, the basic needs. Okay. So when you take this basic needs into very serious business, that will be a great hit.
See, many top bloggers already started YouTube, and they have
Yeah.
YouTube as a secondary platform. Why don't you start
Yeah.
YouTube? And did you start, or you are yet to start?
So basically, I have a YouTube channel with the name All Top 9 with a 3.9K subscribers. I never promoted my YouTube channel. So if you go to my channel, also there will be like 9 videos, something like that. I used to publish one video a year, in 2 years. My channel will be always having the experiments.
Hmm.
So for example, I have put out a video where to recover hacked Facebook account. So once when I was trying to recover my Facebook account, I was into that process through Facebook. So I what I did, I recorded the screen and I have jotted down into the article until it got like 800K views. I never ever promoted in my channel or in my social handling anywhere. I never promote my content also. So if anybody really wanted to read it on, they can just visit our somewhere SEO. So I'll be getting organic views the most. So even today I wrote
I think even
7,000
if
words
you
of
start now,
dropshipping
also
article.
you can definitely make it one of the top YouTubes. But I don't know why you
Yeah,
are so interested in YouTube.
like
Thank God you are not a competitor
no.
for me.
I am. I wanted a YouTube thing, but I'm searching for a very unique concept. So doing the same concept like everyone does won't make people to get attracted to your channel. So that is why what I'm doing is I am picking up a solutions for a problem. For example, there is a we can't post from desktop to Instagram. Okay, so how to post a picture or a post from your from your desktop to Instagram account? There I started searching, and with the two commands you can just do that. So I did it as a video, and that video got 200K views, 200K views, and a lot of comments. Without publishing and without even doing these things, I used to earn around $300 on YouTube channel. Yeah. So this is something like say that's it. When you do a good content, no need of like worrying about earning money. So if you really do a good content, if you really do something different, definitely people will watch it. So everybody will definitely watch it. But that kind of audience will only get attracted to you. If you do ads also, if you do PPC ads or something, you will target a people, but you will never know that they are interested in it or not. Even you do a detailed interest targeting, we never knew that person is at that time if that person is interested or not. Okay, because you never know the life situations of anyone. So that may like the budgets will be like a little bit higher at that time or something. So I always consider organic thing. So that's why I never promoted anywhere. So I go with organic, and whenever if I learn editing, if you see my YouTube channel, there will be a lot of animations and all. So those are the
I
videos
thought that
when I was
you did
learning.
you did those videos only to add those videos into your blog. I
No,
didn't
no,
see
no.
that you
I
have
was,
taken it seriously, that YouTube channel.
I was, yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
Basically, I'm
Okay,
learning.
maybe to embed those videos into blog post and all.
No,
Some
no.
people will do that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
most
wanted.
of the top
Yeah.
YouTubers Coming to limelight by saying all these commercial activities, like we have discussed already, like trainings and
Yeah.
all. But you have already answered it by saying you are not interested into those trainings and coachings. So, what is
I
your
do
main source
coaching
of
actually.
income?
Currently, my main source of income is my salary from the company I'm earning, and the YouTube channel. So it basically I don't see like income sources, but I generally it's like going on with that and my alternate.org blog. So recently I have started it, and a few other I'm like into stock. I'm like there is another frame of me. So I'm into this SIP. I'm in the stock market and I'm into this government schemes and all, so where I invest money in it. So this is something where like very different journey of investment and returns on it. So yeah, I plan in that way. So
So,
blogging is something like for my knowledge purpose.
mhm.
So, so
So
like that.
anything you want to share with my audience?
Yeah, so anybody who wanted to start with the digital marketing, this will be definitely a very good option. As you can see, the COVID situations, the drastic situation where like everything is like set an end, like a full stop, a pause for this world. So, but still there are these mediums like YouTube, the OT channels, and everything where you can really come up and have a conversation with everyone, the Zoom and everything, the different kind of apps or everything. You can see like there is something unique concept where you can really earn the same time where you really engage your audience. So if you are doing something, get a really quick different thought where your thought should solve many millions of problems. Okay, so for example, if you are going to do something, do some unique thing where that unique thing will solve the problem of the common people, so that it will definitely be a hit. If you do the same thing that you're like everybody is doing, still it's a good thing, but add some masala, add some all the extra things where you can give them a value added services called
Indians are
value added
very well known
services.
for those masalas and all.
Yeah. So
I
that
see most of the Indians rank in the top pages in YouTube. I don't know how they
okay.
for most of the content.
Yeah.
Good to
So
see them.
basically, yeah. So whatever the idea that you get, it has to be like a problem solving and a unique concept. So you'll definitely stand out. Never ever drop in the middle of your journey. So if you ever drop the journey, just think about the time you have spent so far. So why would you break now? If you think really spending a lot of time on this digital marketing is a very hectic with your common job, spare a little bit time for it and learn things. So once you're ready with your learning knowledge and once you're ready with your technical knowledge and everything, then start implementing a little by little. So nobody is chasing you. Nobody is a competitor for you. So you're the self competitor for yourself. So start slowly because this is your life that you have to make it, not anyone. So this is the reason why I'm not I don't show any earnings or things on my handlings because that is something I want to have. So let me have it. If you show earnings to someone, the earning numbers will be remembered by them, but not the name of you. Okay, but try to teach them. Try to, if you really well that intellectual, if you really have that much of good knowledge, make someone to earn. So yeah, I'm doing the same thing. I have taught many people. Even still now, they are like in touch with me, and I helped the student to
Mhm.
earn. She used to. I helped her to make 1 lakh per month, and she paid that. The reason why I helped her is not because of the family or not something. She wanted to be in a civil services. She don't want to burden her parents. So because of that reason, I taught her. She started earning. She paid those fees to the Delhi University to learn the civil services. She went there and she is learning that. So I'm very happy. So these are the some reasons why I don't teach everyone, but if I wanted to, I'll take some time and teach them. So this will be like a one-to-one sessions, not like bulk, because if you or these things can't be understand when you sit with a person, also they'll be in a confusion state. So if you say like just the layer of one layer of it, they won't understand. In reply, you will be losing your own identity. So I don't want to lose my identity. So if I wanted to do it, I'll definitely do it in 100%. So in when I was in Altec Media, I actually taught lots of people like online and offline. I used to take a sessions on AdSense. So I have this name like AdSense Queen.
Hmm.
If you forget, I remember it again.
You are
So
queen of
AdSense
many things.
Queen,
So, AdSense queen,
AdSense goddess.
Indian top blogger queen, one of the top bloggers. Good. At a small age, you are achieving so many things. I wish you more success in the coming
Thank you
years.
so much.
Really, I am very privileged to have your first ever video. It always gives
Thank you.
me really an exciting feeling. Thank you for coming to Best of Guru.
Thank you so much.
Finally, stay home, stay safe. This is the mantra.
Sure. I wish everyone stay home, stay safe, and yeah, earn well.
Thank you so
So
much.
yeah,
Bye
thank you
bye.
so much.
Bye.
Bye.